I think we can all agree on one thing. Nobody's perfect and everybody is awkward. You shouldn't talk about how weird or awkward you are sometimes, but it sure is worth watching. 11 awkward situations. Just like everybody else in the world, Zoe is a TV addict, so she decided to watch an episode of her favorite show during lunch. Or maybe she decided to have a snack during the show? One way or the other. Tasty, wasn't it? And you want some more, I bet. We get it. But really, why run back and forth to the kitchen when you can take the whole cake and just cut a couple of slices off? A couple, though, right? Or not. Sure looks good. Wow, time just ran away, didn't it? Do you think the episode was really good or the cake too small? That will remain a mystery. Good morning, Ben! Is it good though when you're running out of toothpaste? Now that's a bummer. But there is a solution that works every time. You've just gotta roll the tube to squeeze some paste out, right? And rolling and keep rolling. Well, that didn't work. All right, let's not panic and use our brain. If we just use a saran wrap roll, nope, okay. A hammer? Roll and twist that tube. Okay, the pliers have to do this. There we go, victory! And you know how to do the rest. Seriously? All of that effort in vain? Because of your butterfingers, Ben. You still have time to go to the store, though. Ben, I am done, yells the washing machine, because it's done washing Ben's socks. But there's nobody to help Ben to divide his socks into pairs. Let him give it a try. You're doing pretty well so far, Ben. Good one. But different colors. Where is your brother, Mr. Sock? Well, some of these kind of match. Ugh, you know how it is. You stumble on that last sock after a year or two. Socks are weird that way. Ashley is doing her favorite routine, having a salad and watching her favorite YouTube channel. Although her phone keeps slipping on that table. Let's use something to get it steady. Maybe the pencils will do the job? Nope. Fine. Then I'll just use everything that I have around here and you will eventually stay up and let me watch you. Not giving up. Take that. And maybe that. Okay, this has got to do it. Ashley, don't be too hard on your phone. Maybe it's just tired of being in your hands all the time. Let it chill for a moment, will you? A bucket? Sing a lullaby to your phone, Ashley. Zoe got a text from her mom asking her to unfreeze the meat. I got plenty of time, Zoe thought to herself, and just went on doing what she was doing. And she did manage to get everything done except defrosting the meat. Shame on you, Zoe. Yeah, looks like you've messed up big time. We know your mom. You're in trouble. The microwave? But of course! It'll get the job done in no time at all. But not this time, apparently. Waiting. But it's still just a chunk of ice. Okay, maybe hot water then. There we go. Our last hope is the hairdryer. But it looks like there's no time to find out if it'll work. Meet your doom, Zoe. When you have so many friends, your phone is struggling to process the insane amounts of chats you're using simultaneously. Ashley, you gotta charge that phone of yours. But apparently, you can't stop chatting for even 1 second. Your phone's gonna die any second now, Ashley. Hurry, 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 hurry. Take a pause. Ugh, where's that stupid socket? I can never get the thing plugged in. Oh, we warned you. Yeah, Ashley, that's pretty awkward. Everybody's asleep and Zoe needs to sneak into her bedroom without waking anybody up. But that's a tricky mission when there's so many noisy enemies around you. Careful. Watch where you step, okay, honey? All right, you're doing pretty good so far. Oh no, what a disaster! Oh, stop! Will you stop already? Oof. Oh, that's not Natalie you've woken up, but a vicious monster. It looks like nobody's going back to sleep tonight. Ben really needs some tape, and when you really need something, you've just got to get it done. Just needs some will and effort, right? But finding the end of the tape is sometimes an impossible mission. We've all been there. You can look for ages and ages for that thing. Ugh, we feel sorry for you, Ben. The day is coming to an end, and Ben is still desperately fighting with the tape. Ben, you have to be a little bit wiser, my friend. It's a new day and victory! Don't rush, buddy. It never helps. You've been outsmarted by tape. It's a bit chilly in here, so Kira decided to find that cardigan that she really almost forgot about. Whew. At least I'll be warm finally. Perfect. What's that? Whoa! 50 bucks? Jackpot, girl! This is the best feeling. Finding money in your winter clothes must be the greatest feeling in the world. Always check your pockets when you get back to wearing winter jackets. When you don't get to see your bestie a lot, well, you just have to text her about everything that's going on in your life. And when there's a lot going on, a simple text can turn into a novel. Ever written a text longer than the Odyssey? I had a first date and I just have to know what Zoe thinks about it. Come on, Zoe, answer. I can't wait any longer. Okay, you're making me extremely anxious. Zoe, I hate you, come on. Okay, I need you to answer me now. Finally. What? Huh? That's it? Thanks for nothing, girlfriend. Everybody has that kind of day off when they completely let themselves go. And while it sure is nice, you should be careful when it comes to fast food. But boy, it's so good. Some fries and a juicy burger. Perfect. Okay. That's it. I couldn't eat another bite. I'm full. I guess my pants didn't exactly expect this to happen today. Snack attack! I'm just gonna unbutton them. That is much better. But let's be real for a sec. That kind of pleasure comes with a price. Sure, you felt like you were in heaven for 15 minutes, but then, boom. And now you can't even squeeze into your favorite shorts. Come on, Ashley, make a wish so we can have this cake already. We'll have the cake, and you go get in shape. Don't be mad at your friends. Come on, you had it coming. Dig in, girls. Ooh, looks tasty. But maybe, nope, no way. Are you two enjoying yourselves? Hey, I see those Snickers. Better get rid of them. And now for some bloopers. Be sure to like our videos, subscribe, and be awkward. Or don't be awkward. See you later, alligators.